Dougie, get up! Ah! Doug, get up! Alright, run!
That's your real butt, you know. There's no stuffing in his butt.
He didn't put any stuffing in his butt. It's just in his chest.
Hit the wall. Hit the wall one
Do
more
it.
time. Not that way.
Jump on me.
Run and hit the wall.
So stupid. Body slam the wall.
Body,
Like,
chest bump the wall.
Run and body slam.
why are you not doing it now when you did it twice?
Doug, stop being difficult.
Stop being a dummy. Don't be a dummy.
Doug, you're a
Doug,
dummy.
I gotta do it.
Go, Doug, go.
Run, Forrest.